Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the best AI tool to upscale your video quality. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to jump straight into Higgsfield AI. We're going to go up to the top left-hand side over here where it says video, and you're going to come all the way down here and look for video upscale. Now, this is an image upscaler as well as a video upscaler. You can see just over here, if you click down, you can actually see the difference. So they've taken this image, which was quite blurry, and actually something that you wouldn't be able to use, and you can see there is a vast difference. Let's go ahead and click on upload media. Now, one thing that I have found is that your media needs to be in MP4 format, and if it's in any other weird format, like I took a video directly from my iPhone, which was in a different codec, and it actually was not able to recognize the video. So make sure that you are uploading a video in the right codec and the right format. Now on the right hand side here, you can choose your model. So if you're looking to remove flicker and stabilize and enhance your overall video quality, you can use Sora to enhance. But if you want to just increase the video resolution for a more sharper, cleaner result, you're going to use the Higgsfield upscale. And here you can scale factor up to 1080, and 2K and 4K is coming soon. It might still actually be available in some regions, but go ahead and select where exactly you want to upscale it to and simply go and hit upscale. So this process will actually take a bit of time. I have seen over here that there is actually a problem with one of their services. So right now it's actually taking quite a bit of time, but within the next few minutes, this should be upscaled, and you'll be able to click on compare over here on the bottom left, and you'll be able to use that slider to actually see the difference between your original video and the upscaled video.